How to appeal age restriction on TikTok. This method works for both iPhone and Android to fix your age-restricted account. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. Next, if your account is age-restricted, you'll see a notification or limited access message on your screen. Following that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open the profile. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Moving forward, tap on Settings and Privacy from the list. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Report a Problem under the Support section. In addition to that, tap on Account and Profile to access account-related issues. Once there, tap on I Need More Help to view additional support options. Subsequently, select Recover an Account from the available options. Moreover, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Submit a Ticket to open the support form. Afterwards, enter your phone number or email address in the designated field. Then, in the description box, write a clear explanation stating your correct birth date and requesting age verification. Within the message, mention that you can provide identification if needed to prove your age. Alternatively, you can also attach any relevant documents directly if the option is available. Once everything is filled out, tap Submit at the bottom to send your appeal to TikTok support. Within 24 to 48 hours, TikTok will review your ticket and respond via email with further instructions. And that's it. If this age appeal guide helped you restore your TikTok account, please like the video, subscribe for more TikTok solutions, and hit the bell icon for future tutorials. See you in the next one.